Good evening, everyone. Am I audible? If someone could just let me know.
Yes, you are.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. Great. So till everybody joins in, we just wait for like few more minutes.
એમાં જ છે હા છે પેન્સિલ કલર્સ ને બી હતા ને એમાં ખેલ પેન્સિલ તારા પાસે નથી હા બી તો એટલી પેન્સિલ પડી ગઈ છે લો ને
Just check whether everybody can hear this audio or no, and we wait for a few more minutes till everybody joins.
क्या जगह यार बेटा यार बेटा
So till we are just waiting for everybody to join in for a few minutes. Till then, we are just watching this video to keep ourselves entertained. I hope the audio is clear. Just a few just about what we have done. Zeal Wellness as a team, and me being the founder of Zeal Wellness. This is where we are into health talks and educating people. We are into health webinars, one-to-one diet consultations at the clinic, as well as online consultations. We are more into talks also with parents of toddlers. We're into schools, colleges, some corporate organizations, NGOs, social groups, social gatherings, uh, being a part of Giants group of Island City. We've done a webinar with them as well. Certain companies that we've done: Swan Solutions, Monarch Enterprise, Accurix Biochemical, NMMIMS College. Different topics, different audience. There was a 5-day workshop that was done on the gut reset program where people also understood how to lose weight. There was a 7-day program organized for National Nutrition Week last year, which was a super hit. We had arranged different speakers on different days with different themes. Nutrition blogging, writing blogs and nutrition articles has always been my passion. So I, write quotes and articles on different websites and all of that. Few of our, happy clients that we wanted to share with all of you. I think we're done, and we start with the talk now. Just give me a minute. Okay. Great. Okay, so another mic check. Sorry, am I audible? Anyone could reply on chat or just unmute and tell me.
Yes, you are audible.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Mr. Bhai. Great. So a very, very good evening, and thank you so much for coming for this talk today. A very unique topic, something very different, which I have not taken earlier. And a special thanks to the Giants Group also, Mr. Josefa Bhai, Ghia and Shirin Bain, Badlawala, they have motivated me and they said, let's do this for a group of people, differently abled people, where everybody knows their nutrition needs and they would want to know how to stay healthy, what can they eat, how much can they eat, how can they improve their immunity. And there are concerns that every person has, and all of us have certain issues, certain problems, certain health problems which we overcome by ourselves. But if even some percentage of it can be overcome with the help of diet, with the help of food sources, then very good. And that's where my role comes into picture. And we thought of doing this for all of you, for people whom you know, your friends, your relatives, anybody in your neighborhood. Please do share this knowledge with them. I will also try and put this up on my YouTube channel, and I'll share the link again, where all of you can share this link with anybody you want to. Okay. So just a few quick instructions before we start. Please stay muted at all times. But I want to make it interactive also. So if there is something that you need to answer, you want to share when asked, please unmute yourself, answer it, and then mute yourselves again so that the flow goes smoothly and we all can enjoy today's session. Note down pointers in the book, note down your questions in the book. We will take the questions after the session is over. And try and, in the end, obviously, I'll ask you all to switch on your videos for like 2 seconds where I'll take a picture of all of us together. So be ready for that as well. It'll be super fun. And apart from that, any doubts, any suggestions, any feedback at the end of the session, positive, negative, please be free and open. I will open the WhatsApp group also. Once again, after the session is over, you can post your feedback over there. I will share a link as well. If you don't want to share it from the group, you can share your feedback on that as well. Again, another word of caution is this is a group, WhatsApp group that I have made for knowledge sharing, basically. So for the nutrition for the differently able people. But Zeal Wellness as a brand has many WhatsApp groups. So after the session is over, the group is going to remain. I'm not going to delete the group, but if you are in any of my other groups of Zeal Wellness, where there's Learn with Zeal Wellness or any other community group you are with Zeal Wellness, you can stay in any one of the groups because the information will be passed on all the groups will be same. So you can remove yourself from any of the groups that you want and stay in any one group so that there is no duplication of messages for you. Okay, great. So let's start. A very quick question for all of you over here for the audience. What is health? Anybody who wants to share any ideas, anything that you all want to share, just in layman terms, आपके लिए health क्या है? What is health to you?
Health is up and doing.
It is what? I'm sorry.
Up and doing.
Okay, up and
Means
doing.
always.
Okay, go ahead. Sorry. Hello.
Means if
It's
you
the
are
wellness.
always willing to do something,
Okay, willing to do
you
something.
don't get fatigue.
You don't get fatigue. Very nice. What else?
It's the wellness of the mind, body, and heart.
Wow, superb. Heart. The last one was a very bingo answer. Wellness of the heart as well, which a lot of us, a lot of times overlook that. Most of the times मुझे क्या answer मिलता है? Health मतलब अरे बस हट्टा कट्टा रहने का, energy levels अच्छे होने चाहिए. So the it's a mixture of all of this what all of you have shared. Yes. Okay, so let's see what I have to say. It's a mixture of your physical health, social health, spiritual health, mental health. ये सारी चीजों का balance होना चाहिए. Now, when I say physical health means that at least, things that you can do by yourselves. You don't fall ill again and again. You don't have to see the doctor again and again. Your immunity is strong. You don't feel fatigued by the end of the day. You don't have to visit the doctor again and again for a common cold or cough or flu or something. So that is what I mean by health. Your social circle, how well you're socially connected to your friends, your relatives, how is your behavior in front of them, how emotionally well are you, by your mind as well? What are your thought processes, positive thoughts, negative thoughts? So all of this, creating a balance among all of this is what I call health. So what should we keep in mind for the differently abled people, where I am saying that, some of us would be, where there are issues with walking, some of them have issues with vision, some of them have issues with the hearing issues. So as a clan, as a community, what should we keep in mind for them? Any quick pointers anybody wants to share? Any idea? What should we keep in mind in terms of health and nutrition? I'm talking about that. What can we keep in mind? Anybody, or should I move ahead? Okay. Sorry, I can't hear you. Okay, so point one is very, very important, that there are very, very good chances that there's lack of physical activity amongst them. Okay, where maybe normal walking also would not be possible. Uh, they are same like us, but they're differently able. Yes, Asma Ben, you're absolutely correct. But in terms of health, in terms of nutrition, where I'm trying to correlate both of this is where, if, for example, as a nutritionist, if I'm planning their diet, or if I'm planning that their whole schedule, that what can they eat, when can they eat. So I also have to keep in mind that if someone comes to me for, say, weight loss, assuming for weight loss, then I cannot enforce ki, no, you have to do physical activity, because activity and diet will go hand in hand. No, that is what we've been learning throughout our lives, and we know. But we have to keep in mind that there will be physical lack of physical activity in a lot of ways. Then you also have to keep in mind that there should be a balance between the input and the output of calories. So if they are unable to go for walks or do any other activity, what else can they do? So example, there is something called chair yoga, chair exercises that they could do. So we can get them enrolled with fitness experts who are experts in this field, where with chair exercises, and with showing them exercises which they can do. Then the third thing, inclusion of all food groups is very, very important. Okay, now when I say inclusion of all food groups means what? Ahead we'll also talk about it, but a little gist that I want to give you all. If you all know something about the food pyramid, okay, where at the base we have all the things that give us energy to the body, which is carbohydrates, which is roti, your rice, your cereals, your grains. Then comes your protein. The layer of protein is all the non-vegetarian and vegetarian sources: chicken, meat, fish, egg, dals, pulses, chole, rajma, ragra, moong, soya. Your milk products also come after that. Your milk and milk products, your cheese, paneer, all of this. Before the milk products is a layer of fiber, which is fruits and vegetables, which has immense amount of fiber, immense amount of minerals and vitamins, the nutrients that are very good for your body for their own roles. Some of them will give us fiber, some of them will give us vitamins for the skin, for the hair, all of this. Correct? So we need to keep in mind that all of these food groups are included in the whole day. ऐसा नहीं है कि किसी ने हमें कहा कि वेट लॉस करने के लिए कार्बोहाइड्रेट जो है वो रोटी वगैरह सब बंद कर दीजिए, आपका वेट लॉस हो जाएगा. ऐसा नहीं है. सो प्लीज जो भी हम हमेशा पढ़ते रहते हैं, सुनते रहते हैं, गूगल करते हैं, यूट्यूब करते हैं, सारी बातें सही नहीं होती है. एंड सेकेंड चीज, सारी बातें आपकी बॉडी को सूट करेगी कि नहीं इज अ क्वेश्चन मार्क. Something that suits someone else may suit you, may not suit you. So please don't try everything on your own. Take an help from an expert and understand. हर एक body अलग है, हर एक की requirements अलग है, and that way a customization is very, very important. Okay. Now one more thing we need to keep in mind: availability of a helper. So a lot of times काफी सारी चीजें ऐसी होती है, अगर मैं डाइट से रिलेटेड कुछ ऐसी चीजें डाइट में लिख दूं जो वो बना ही नहीं पाएंगे, then what is the use of writing or including something in the diet which we cannot follow at all, or they cannot make, या कोई ऐसी चीज जो उनके घर पे बनती ही नहीं है, it's not their culture, or it's not a dish which they don't have at all, they don't like it, so then it doesn't make sense to include something like this. if they have a helper to assist them in, in their cooking or in serving or in making them eat, then very good. Then so that accordingly the diet can be planned. And we also have to keep in mind their emotional health. How are they, where do they stand when it comes to accepting the fact that I have certain nutritional deficiencies. जैसे कि what do you mean by nutritional deficiencies? या तो वो because of lack of physical activity they've started gaining a lot of weight, or vice versa, there are certain conditions where they are not meeting all the nutrient requirements. उनके they are not eating properly and they're not eating well, and hence उनको विटामिन और मिनरल की डेफिशिएंसीज हो रही है, जैसे कि कैल्शियम डेफिशिएंसी है, आयरन डेफिशिएंसी है, they are short of vitamin D3, vitamin B12. So these deficiencies you get to know with a normal blood test, which I highly recommend कि हर 6-8 महीने में एक blood test कराना चाहिए, full body checkup, so that you know कि अगर कोई deficiencies है तो हम उसको correct कर सकते हैं, with obviously if a medication is required or with diet alone. Okay, so उस हिसाब से emotionally उनका क्या connection है food के साथ. Sometimes when I say emotional connection with food, like whenever we are stressed out, तो हम ज्यादातर क्या चीजें पहले उठा के खाते हैं, that is एक सोचने की बात है. There are people who would pick up pastries, donuts, cakes, fried stuff. There are some people who like salty stuff, जैसे कि वो लोग wafers ज्यादा खाएंगे. Some people love eating fried food. तो जैसे भी अगर कुछ झगड़ा हो गया or we are feeling low, we would order a samosa, or order a patty or a burger or something fried. So that again affects your health. It affects the overall day's intake, calorie intake. और plus अगर physical activity zero है, so that means you're just putting on extra calories, maybe which are not required by your body, and hence then you will start facing the repercussions of it. Okay, तो ये सारी चीजें हमें ध्यान में रखनी है when we are planning a diet or we are looking out for their nutritional information, that what can we give them. Next, I want to know some of your healthy habits. ऐसी कोई habits है आप लोगों की जो आपके हिसाब से आपको लगता है healthy है, and you want to share it with us. That Sakina, probably I do this every single day and I feel it is healthy. Anybody who wants to share anything? Anyone? Don't tell me किसी की कोई भी healthy habit नहीं है. I'm surprised. Don't do this, yaar. Okay, let me twist my question. How many of us? Sorry, anyone wants to say something?
Yes, Assalamu alaikum.
Yes.
I'm a mother of 2 children,
Mm-hmm.
and my children are very fastidious about having vegetarian food. They do not like vegetables at all. So what I try to do is to make recipes in which I can include red capsicum, yellow capsicum,
Correct.
green capsicum, because those colors are very alluring for the kids. They're very attractive. So I try to give them as many vegetables as I can every
Correct.
day,
Correct.
in the form of capsicum and carrot and all, because these colors are very attractive for them, and then they eat it and they enjoy it. Even though if I were to tell them that this is capsicum what you're eating, I don't think they're going to eat it.
Correct. Great work. Thank you so
Thank
much for sharing with us. So, and another point to add to this, ma'am, is ये जो color के vegetables आप बात कर रहे हो, they are also filled with antioxidants, something that will improve your child's immunity also. So जितने भी orange, yellow, red colored की fruits, vegetables है, include them more in the diet. Okay. Now, how many of us are skipping breakfast? सच्ची बताइए. Write yes in your chat. Or how many of you all know somebody who's skipping their breakfast?
It's a late breakfast these days. It's brunch more because the kids are having a holiday and it is
Holiday.
online classes. It's like an open book test type everything. So our timetables have gone haywire since the past 1.5 year, thanks to COVID.
Okay, Ruksal ji, you are skipping your breakfast. Okay. Asma Bain, yes, that's a very good idea. What she does is everybody that she grinds she tells her parents that you grind the vegetables and make parathas out of it. Amutha, you're missing your breakfast sometime. Okay. So when it comes to inculcating certain healthy habits, never ever skip breakfast. Everybody just keep a note of it, because early morning, the first meal should be very nice, very heavy, very good in calories, memory power बढ़ता है, concentration बढ़ता है, पूरे दिन का जो अपना metabolism है, जो रेट पे आपकी body energy इस्तेमाल कर रही है, that remains constant, that goes fast. उस वजह से आपका fat burning process fast जाएगा. So you will not put on a lot of weight, not that way, if you are planning to lose weight or something like that. So try and ensure that you are having a proper breakfast which has some kind of carbohydrates, जैसे कि उपमा है, पोहा है, रोटी है, पराठा, थेपला, any kind of cereal grains, oats है, cereal and milk है, roti and egg है, bread and egg है, idli sambar, dosa sambar, and some kind of protein. So the protein option is milk, sambar, egg, all of this is protein. Okay, so we are never skipping breakfast, rule number 1. Next question for all of you: do you eat on time? Now most of us are going to say no, because most of us will say, obviously because of COVID we don't know what time it is, and jab bhi bhook lagi khaya, managing the house, managing work from home, managing the children and their online classes, it's a juggle, definitely it is. Okay, but ensure that you're not staying hungry for more than 4 hours. So breakfast, lunch, evening snack, dinner, ये 4 मील के बीच में 4 घंटे से ज्यादा गैप नहीं होना चाहिए. एंड छोटा सा मिड मील, जैसे कि ब्रेकफास्ट और लंच के बीच में फ्रूट ले लिया, या नट्स ले लिए, या एक ग्लास दूध ले लिया, या कॉफी, या ग्रीन टी, ऐसा कुछ आप इंक्लूड कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो दैट इज वन इम्पोर्टेंट दिस टाइम. सेकंड इज हाउ मच आर यू ईटिंग. कीप अ नोट ऑफ इट, कीप अ चेक ऑफ इट. If you are someone who wants to gain weight, if you are down with vitamin deficiencies, if where you are losing a weight a lot these days, then you have to eat sometime anywhere between 2.5 to 3 hours, something very small but something which gives you energy. Include things like cheese, potato, paneer, so that they have more calories and they will make you gain weight faster. So when I say 3 घंटे में कुछ लेना है, मतलब सिंपल में सिंपल एक बॉइल्ड पोटैटो खा लिया, या उसके अंदर चीज डाल के मैश करके खा लिया, या पनीर बाहर से मंगवाया, सॉल्ट पेपर डाल के खा लिया, या 2 ब्रेड स्लाइस के बीच में चीज लगा के खा लिया, एनी ऑफ दीज ऑप्शंस. और सिंपल मिल्क एंड फ्रूट डाल के बनाना मिल्कशेक बना के पी लिया, या मैंगो की सीजन है मैंगो मिल्कशेक बना के पी लिया. गार्निश द मिल्कशेक विद नट्स सो दैट मोर द कैलोरीज विल इंक्रीज. सो छोटा सा कोई डिश हो पर उसमें कैलोरी ज्यादा हो. ओके, next. Now these are some of the superfoods for all kind of differently able people that we are talking about, whether they are looking out, whether there's vision issue or there is walking issue. So these are something that will help you to stay healthy. It's for everyone. Methi seeds, very good in fiber. So people who are diabetic, or people who want to lose weight, or people who have constipation issues, include methi seeds. रात को सोक कर दिया, अगले दिन सुबह को पानी भी उसका पी लिया and seeds भी खा लिया. Second, carrots and beetroot, very very good for your eyes, for your skin. Turmeric powder, very curcumin in the turmeric, extremely beneficial. आपकी BMR, आपकी metabolism बढ़ाता है, immunity बढ़ाता है. अलसी, again omega 3 है, soluble fiber है, आपके शुगर और आपकी कोलेस्ट्रॉल को मैनेज करेगा. Anybody with a heart disease, heart issue, anybody with issues of the skin, you're looking out to improve your immunity, alsi is the key. Chia seeds, again soluble fiber ज्यादा है, आपकी वेट को भी मैनेज करेगा, शुगर को मैनेज करेगा, कॉन्स्टिपेशन इशू भी रिजॉल्व करेगा. सेम लाइक मेथी, 1 टीस्पून, छोटी चम्मच रात को, just soak it in little water. Next day you can have it anytime. You have to have the water and the seeds. Chia seeds are not sabja. It's not takmuria. They are different. They are a little brownish in color, but वो भी पानी में फूल जाते हैं सब्जे की तरह. ठीक है? You can add a little, squeeze lemon and have it also if you want. और ये chia seeds soak करने के बाद आप आपके दूध के ग्लास में भी डाल सकते हैं. So जैसे आपको पसंद हो. Pumpkin seeds, वेरी गुड टू कंट्रोल योर शुगर क्रेविंग्स. हम लोग में से काफी सारों को ऐसा होगा कि बार बार मीठा खाने की चाह होती है, या खाने के बाद आई वांट समथिंग स्वीट और अ डिजर्ट. सो pumpkin seeds are very very good. You can add pumpkin seeds in all the other seeds like sunflower, pumpkin, till seeds, sesame seeds and flax seeds, और थोड़ा सा सौंफ, तो उसका आप माउथ फ्रेशनर बना के आप रख सकते हैं डब्बे में, and you can just take 1 tablespoon after your meal. That is another good idea. Okay, next. So when you're talking about improving immunity, the first thing that we need to keep in mind is iron. Okay, iron is a very good first line of defense. It also iron, obviously hemoglobin में iron है. Okay, your hemoglobin, the hemoglobin का क्या काम है? वो आपकी सारी body में oxygen को transport करता है. So the importance of iron is very good in the body. All your green leafy vegetables, your soya granules, all of this have a lot of iron in them. Dates have a lot of iron. Beans, आपके जो राजमा है, चौली है, all of these have a good amount of iron. How can you utilize? You can make different kind of recipes. Some of them I have noted down. There are lots more that you guys would be having an idea. So you can, use the beans and the lentils in making your frankies, sandwiches, tacos, canopies. Now, why did I choose some of these is because when there are things that you like to do yourself, जैसे कि कोई evening snack है and you would like, why should I tell my helper or why should someone else do it for me? It's something that are easy for you to do is the canopies and all that are ready to eat. You don't have to do anything. The mixture is ready. You just pour the mixture and you have. Or you can take a biscuit and you can top it with any kind of pulse or protein or something and you can have. Or just paneer ko आपने topping के लिए use किया and you can have it. Tacos again are ready to eat. So these are certain ideas which do not require too much of cooking or too much of hassle in the kitchen. Zinc, again, the next important part, which also helps in wound healing. So any kind of times where we have got hurt, we've fallen down, or there are scratches or anything, zinc is very good. It helps to heal your wound very fast. So you can take any kind of nuts; they are very good in zinc. Non-vegetarian sources are very good in zinc. Whole grains like wheat, bran is very good in zinc. Beans again are very good in zinc. Nuts ko agar some of us have in case have denture problems and cannot chew, you can always powder the nuts and keep a box of it. You can add 1 teaspoon either in your milk in the day. You can add it in your curd. You can add it to your chas. You can add it in your atta to make your rotis or parathas. Any form of this you can have it. So certain examples would be like, even when I say oats are also good, by the way, in rava oats and all that. It also has some amount of zinc, not too much, but you can make pancakes. The first picture that it says, top your pizza with a lot of vegetables. Use whole wheat pizza base if possible. Again, zinc comes in whole wheat. Whole wheat pasta is another good option for zinc. A whole wheat bread slice with toppings, or you can make a normal sandwich out of it. Vitamin B6. Vitamin
Hello,
B6.
Sakina mein connection बंद है यूजर.
Sorry? Sorry, Huzafa bhai, I cannot hear you. Okay, now am I audible? Am I audible to everybody? Is there some
Yes,
connection
continue,
issue?
Sakina. I mean, you're perfect.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Bhai. Okay, vitamin B6. Now, when I'm talking about vitamin B6, आपकी बॉडी में जो भी केमिकल रिएक्शंस होते हैं जो फूड को डाइजेस्ट करते हैं to give energy to your body, there B6 is required. Also, all the other reactions involving the immune system, there again vitamin B6 is required. So all your green leafy vegetables, your chickpeas, your cold water fish, all of this are very good in vitamin B6. Vitamin A and C, all your colored fruits and vegetables which I was talking about, red, yellow, green, they are filled with antioxidants. Broccoli is very good. Your nuts are also very good in antioxidants. Spinach. We're talking about citrus fruits, vitamin C, oranges, sweet limes, kiwi, grapefruit. One good idea would be that whenever you are serving a vegetable where you want some taste also, and you want that the nutrients should be absorbed nicely, you can sprinkle lemon after you serve yourself. And especially do it for spinach, because जो भी डिश में आयन ज्यादा है, आयन को बॉडी में ज्यादा अब्सॉर्ब करने के लिए विटामिन सी इज very important. It increases your absorption of iron in the body. So if you sprinkle the lemon in your palak ka sabzi or palak paneer that you've made, it will really help you out. Just a word of caution, everybody. In case this link gets over in the next 10 12 minutes, please rejoin and click on the same link. So again, we'll come in the same room. Okay, fine. Tomato toppings, khakra chaat, all of these are again examples that we can include a lot of vegetables for ourselves as well as for our children. Sandwiches, rolls, you can make a nutty chaat where in the vegetables you are adding some crunchiness to the salad by adding almonds, raisins, walnuts, a little pistachios. They're very good options. Cranberries, if you all like it, again, extremely good. So quick takeaways for everybody. Balance your meals nutritionally. Ensure कि हर एक at least breakfast, lunch और dinner में carbohydrates है, जैसे कि रोटी, rice, ज्वार की रोटी, नाचनी भाकरी, बाजरा. Plus there is some protein, either chicken, meat, egg, fish, dal, soya, all of this, and veggies. ये तीन चीज होना चाहिए: carbohydrates, proteins, and vegetable. Okay, that is fiber. Periodic blood tests that I told you all 6 to 8 months में एक बार at least ensure that you're doing that. Correction of vitamin deficiencies, and make sure that what kind of physical activity can you do. If you're not doing anything, consult an expert, consult a fitness expert and see what can you manage. Okay, great. My last giveaway and a takeaway for all of you is a monthly personalized wellness program from my end for any one of you or your family members who want to join in, where there will be 3 diet sessions with me. Personalized, customized diet will be planned according to your lifestyle, your health needs, your vitamin deficiencies or whatever it is. Blood reports agar kiye hai, so we'll look into it. Your milk and oil consumption will be discussed. And the best part is you don't have to cook separately for yourself. So my diets are extremely easy to follow, where सबका खाना साथ में बनेगा, but what you are going to, how much and what you're going to eat from it is what we will discuss, and we will involve you in the diet planning, which I will share the link to all of you for further information on the chat as well as on the group. Thank you very, very, very much for being such a patient crowd. I would highly request all of you to follow us on any of the social handles. The only reason being that you will get a lot of information. You will get a lot of videos, tips, anything that you're looking out for any topic, whether it's YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. So I'll share the links with all of you. Click and please follow us and join us. Any doubts, any issues after this also, my WhatsApp number and my email ID are available over here on the screen. Please note it down if you are there on the group as well. So I will be opening the group after some time for your feedback. Any issues, any doubts, let me know. We'll take up the questions now. Thank you very much. But before, sorry, I'm so sorry. Before we take the questions, can I please just request all of you to just give me 2 minutes, 2 seconds where your videos are on, so that I can just take a picture, please, for remembrance. Can we do that, everyone? Fast.
Sakina Ben, thank you very much. I'm from Huzaifa Ghia,
Yes.
from Giant Group of Bombay Pearls. It was a
Yes.
very educative and very informative session. And I want all the members who are attending to please follow up. This is very important. People who are disabled, they don't have time to, they cannot do exercise. So I'm requesting everybody to stay follow with Sakina Ben. She will help you out in all the ways.
Thank you so much. Yes, I'll
Hello,
just.
Sakina Ben, can you please provide me verbally the number, because I'm a visually impaired, so I can't see the number on the screen.
Yes, sir. 966.
Yeah, 966.
49.
49.
78.
78.
776.
776. I will just repeat, madam.
Yes.
966 49 78 776.
Perfect.
And your full good name, Sakina Ben Patrawala.
Perfect. Or you can say Zeal Wellness.
Thank you so much.
Easy to remember.
And what is the group name?
Zeal Wellness. ZEAL. Zeal Wellness. On WhatsApp, if you're unavailable, I will wait. Just give me a minute. Just tell me a hi on this number on WhatsApp. I'll add you to the group.
Okay, madam. I will give a hi to
Great.
your number.
Great. Thank you so much. Everybody, videos
Thank you,
on.
thank you.
Quick, I'm going to take a picture fast and then we do a quick question answer session as well. Everyone. Thank you. We can also wave. Hello.
Hello.
Thank you. Okay, great. Okay, shoot questions. Anybody? Any doubts? Don't tell me nobody has questions. It was so well explained or कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आया.
Ma'am, due to lockdown, we are at home, so not feeling hungry, appetites.
Okay, I'm surprised you're saying this, sir, because most of my clients currently who are coming to me are like, हमने lockdown में घर पे बैठे बैठे इतना खाया है that we are gaining weight. This is what I get to hear, and that is because जो भी अगर भूख भी लगी थोड़े थोड़े टाइम में जो भी हाथ में आया जो भी डब्बा आया खा लिया देखे बिना, and then we don't stop till the dabba is over. So if you're not feeling hungry, yes, that happens. That's what I'm hearing from most of my clients now. So if you're not feeling hungry, and but on the other hand, jokes apart, if you're healthy, your immunity is good, then mashallah, you don't need to worry about. But if not eating is making you fall ill, is making you lose a lot of weight drastically, then you have to take care of it. Then you need consultation that way. But if you are absolutely okay, healthy, wealthy, and fine, don't worry if you're not feeling hungry.
Yeah, grace of God, it's all fine. Thank you so much.
Most welcome. Anyone, anything else? I guess we have. Okay,
I have
2 minutes.
Ma'am, as I
question.
was saying, we tend to gain weight because of this COVID-19. I used to go for a regular walk when there was no COVID-19. I used to drop my children to school, and there's a close by park over there, and I used to walk there for half an hour, 45 minutes, which is not possible considering the climate also now and the COVID-19 scenario also. So,
Correct.
what can you give a few simple tips for how we can lose weight? Because I am gaining weight, and I think in the past 1.5 year, I must have gained at least 8-9 kg.
Oh, okay. So, ma'am, what happens here? No, certain tips which are generic will definitely, might work for you. But I would highly appreciate if it is more where I know a lot of your history and then it is planned is better. But to start with, what you could do is ensure that you're having a proper breakfast, which is more in calories as compared to the dinner. And dinner, supposing आप समझो अभी three chapatis ले रहे हो dinner में, so gradually make it to 2 and then 1.5. Okay, so 1.5 is the cap. This is what an example I'm giving you. If you're taking 3, if you're taking 2 rotis, then come up to 1 that way. And second thing, what you can try is every alternate days, instead of having a full meal like roti, sabzi, blah blah blah, try and have a salad, either a pulse salad, or if you're a non-vegetarian, try and have a chicken salad or a chicken soup or something, but in good quantity. So the chicken amount should be good, veggies, the proportion of veggies should be good, so that gives you fiber and satiety. So try this out for now to start with, and because I'm lessening down the calories in the dinner, which will help you to start losing weight. This is what I can tell you without knowing all the other details, your height, your weight, your age, that way. Okay.
Actually, I'm slightly on the hypothyroid side also. Maybe that is the reason why I'm also gaining weight.
Definitely, thyroid weight loss का सबसे बड़ा दुश्मन है. So when you try to lose weight, thyroid will make you not lose weight.
Yeah.
So best of luck.
Right.
Yes.
Thank you.
Anyone else? We have a minute to go. Okay.
Can you depend upon uncooked food, outside food like dry fruits and all? Like you said, after every 3 hours and all, you can have something. So suppose I'm not a cook, so whatever my cook cooks, I only depend upon. So rest, I can just accumulate all the dry fruits and those kind of nasta, which is nutritious, and in between I can